By following this guide, you will systematically complete a comprehensive process, ensuring all necessary steps are executed to achieve your desired outcome efficiently and effectively. Navigate to calsoftgroup.com. Click on Sequences. Click on Sequences. Click on Add Sequences. Click on Sequence Name field box and create the sequence. Click on Save. Click Switch to active the step. Click on Add Step. Click on Email Type. Select the type. Set on Run this step on day. Click on Priority. Select the type. Click on Next. Text your mail subject. Use email template or text your body content. Select your email template. Click on OK. Check your mail body content. Click on Attach File, optional. Check the uploaded document file. Click on Send. Email steps created successfully. Click on Add Step. Create a phone call task. Text your activity notes. Of optional, I have a very tight look. Click on Add and phone step as created. Done. Click on Add Step. Click on WhatsApp task. Click WhatsApp type box. Select the type. Click on Next and phone step as created. Done. Click Choose a template. Select the WhatsApp template. Check the preview. Click on Send. Check the steps number 1 email. Check the step number 2 phone call. Check the step number 3 WhatsApp.